The Concerned Citizens Assembly has commenced multi-day deliberations on Nigeria's political structure, regional autonomy, and the need for a new framework for national development, held under the theme, A Nation Built on Consent, Strengthened by Strong Regions, and United for Peace, Prosperity, and Progress. The gathering is examining Nigeria's political future and possible alternatives to the current governance structure. The opening ceremony featured a welcome address by the General Secretary of SIRAIN, Ambassador Ali Ocheni, followed by remarks from the convener, Dikin Oladejo, who called for greater citizen participation in shaping Nigeria's future.
We wish to report that from our extensive consultations, Nigerians from different geopolitical zones were of the view that we should return to the 1963 regional federating units, which our founding nationalist fathers anchored the sovereignty and economic viability of Nigerian Union upon. We have the considered view, therefore, that the power must be devolved to the sub-region federating units of government, with separate but mutually administered federal and regional constitutions. This, no doubt, will strengthen physical federalism and not feeding bottle federation, where all the federating units make monthly trips to Abuja for handouts.
You and my humble self will not be forgiven if you lose the Nigeria we have. And we are on the verge of doing that if we refuse to do something. Like they will say, if you do nothing, something will happen to you. Anything that is going to happen must be by consent.
A major focus of the gathering is the proposed restructuring of Nigeria into autonomous regions. In his keynote address, a senior advocate of Nigeria, Kalu Agambi, represented by Godsnone Igali, emphasized the importance of sustained dialogue.
I think the problem, that word restructuring has become very unpopular, because some people see restructuring as maybe destruction, as scattering everything. No, I think the actually is to restore as much as possible, because 1963 Constitution cannot be the same as 2026. That's a bloody hell of time. It's more than 23, more than 63 years. So it is, things have changed from 3 regions to 4 regions, 4 regions to 12 states, 12 states to 19 states, and so on until now 36 states. So it cannot be exactly the same thing. It is for people like this to work out the amalgam, what is the best thing for Nigeria.
Also speaking, Dr. Yomi Farambi called for reforms while urging Nigerians to take a greater ownership of the national conversations.
The people are singing a new song. They're taking a new direction. They're taking a new look at their country. And they want this country to survive, to thrive, and be as good as it can be. So those who don't listen to the people will find that others who will listen to the people will arise and fulfill the wishes of the people.
Today we gather not merely to reflect on our journey as a people, but to renew our shared commitment to the ideals that bind us together as one nation under God. Nation building is not the responsibility of government alone. It is a collective duty that calls for unity, purpose, respect for the rule of law, and unwavering belief in the promise of Nigeria. Peace remains the foundation upon which every great nation is built. Without peace, development is fragile. Without justice, peace is incomplete. And without inclusion, progress cannot be sustained.
The assembly also began laying what participants describe as the foundation for a new Nigeria, with the proposed federated regions of Nigeria emerging as the central framework. Under the proposed framework, the regions are expected to have greater political, administrative, and economic autonomy while maintaining Nigeria as a united federation. From Abuja, Ajijola Oluwayeni, reporting for Impact Business Radio News.